Hello and welcome to Bees on Main here in beautiful downtown Stoughton, Wisconsin. I'm Rich Morris, lead drone at BroodMinder, and I want to talk about our T91 cellular hub. The heart of the system is this little blue module. It will wake up every 10 minutes, listen to all your broodminders in the area, and then once an hour it'll send all that data up to the cellular network, to mybroodminder.com. If you have a swarm alert or something like that, it'll do that immediately rather than wait till the top of the hour. So it's very simple, just has an on and off switch and very easy. It comes with this black bag. This black bag is important because we found that one of the chips is susceptible to strong solar radiation. So by putting it in the black bag, you do two things. One is you block the sunlight, and the other is you block any earwigs or ants or those sorts of things, because they do like the slightly warmer bit of the T91, and I've had them come back packed with earwigs. So that takes care of it. Now, if you buy the solar, the weather cell, then you'll get this solar shield with it, and it's easy to put it inside and then hook this to a post, and you can put it there in your apiary. We recommend putting it sort of out of the sun just so you get a closer temperature, because the T91 will also measure temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure. So that'll all come. If you want a totally never mess with it, we do have our solar kit, and it will run forever, but it's more expensive. We have a solar battery, we've got a solar panel, we've got this fancy box, a weatherproof box, so that is an option. With the normal one, you will have to recharge it every 6 months, so we recommend doing it every 4 or 5 months while it's on. And the easiest way is to take a little portable battery that you can get off Amazon, or we sell one if you want it. And if you get the smallish one, what you can actually do is you can plug it into the little charging port, and then put it back like that, and then stick it into the weather station, and it all fits. And you can take it, and when you're out in your apiary, set it to charging, and then the next time you come back, it'll be all charged up. You can take out the battery and then go again. Take it home, recharge it, and be ready for another 4 or 5 or 6 months. I will also mention we have this little magnetic mount. That's nice. You can mount it to the top of your hive. It's not quite as good because it's in the direct sunlight, but for some cases, that's the best you can do. So we have that as an accessory. And the last accessory we have is an external antenna. So if you're in a fringe zone of the cell, you can add this. We recommend you talk to us before you do that. It's a bit pricey because this little cable is very expensive. And you can see on this one that it comes with a little plastic clip that holds the connector in place, and a screw and everything you need to do that. Okay, so that's all the bits and pieces. To set it up, it's really quite easy. There's the power switch. You need to have the power switch on. It needs to be on for charging too, by the way. And you'll see it light up. It'll light up blue for a few seconds, then it'll switch to green. As it's negotiating with the cell tower, it'll flash sometimes. Once it connects, then you'll see these quick flashes, and that every time it sees a BroodMinder device, it flashes. So this one is number 54023C. We will assign it if we know your account when we ship it to you, but if we don't, you can claim it yourself. So what I've done in the devices tab is I have filtered to only hubs and nearby, because we have a lot of stuff around here. And we see 023C is here, and it says it's going to be updating. It's updating right now. You can see some of the other hubs I have sitting around. If I had not assigned it to myself already, then all I would do is hit claim device, and then that will transfer the ownership to you, and then it'll show up as your devices in mybroodminder.com. So that's pretty much the long and short of it. It's very simple. It's extremely handy. We changed our subscription model recently to make these more affordable because they are so valuable. And we hope you like it. As always, if you have issues, Mike is waiting at support@broodminder.com to help you. If he can't, then he'll escalate it to us and we'll get you going. That's our #1 priority. So remember, every hive counts, and have a great day.